I am proud of everybody. They make improvement. Also, some of them they didn't play a lot, but you know, I use every set, all substitutions. So in this competition, everybody played. If I have to tell something, one of them I can see, but I will tell you anybody because he's too. You know who is the best player of all for now.
No name, sir?
You don't know? You don't have any idea? Who was more stable for you? Who was more stable on this competition? Tell me. You have an idea? No? I give you one name, Magalaman, for example. He was pretty stable on these all three matches. The other, they went up and down, but he was stable. Also Josh, that was stable in all the other matches. When we started, he had some problems.
Coach,
But they are young.
Coach, we're surprised with Magalaman. This is his first time playing for the national team and he was one of the most stable players.
What I say, I saw Magalaman 2 years ago and I wanted him to the national team. But there was some problem with the, I think, scholarship. I don't remember very well. So I couldn't get. As soon as I could, I get it.
Can you comment lang kasi sinabi rin ni Coach Pregone din kanina na ikaw raw yung pinaka-stable dito sa team ngayon. Can you comment lang on that?
Siguro po masasabi ko po, parang, syempre guide na din po ni Lord. Parang, ginide niya ako throughout the year po. Parang, sobrang thankful din po ako sa kanya kasi hindi niya po ako pinabayaan. Parang, kung nagkakamali man po ako, parang, tinatama niya po yun. Like, lagi niya pong sinasabi na pag nagkakamali kami, next ball, kasi yung nangyari na yun, tapos na. You know?
Outside that court, online, dami rin yung praise sa'yo ng mga fans, saka daw sa mga revelation din talaga for alam. Ano lang masasabi mo sa tagalong tingin sa'yo ng mga tao ngayon?
Siguro po, parang, ako din po mismo, parang nagulat ako. Like, yan nga po, talagang sinabi ko nung una, like, paano ko yung nagawa. Siyempre parang guide na din po, yun po. Sobrang thankful po kay Lord kasi hindi niya ako pinabayaan. Parang ngayong season po, may iniinda po akong injury sa balikat pero hindi ko siya naramdaman ngayon. So sana po magtuloy-tuloy na po hanggang sa susunod po naming liga.
Thank you.